Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the Ariel Ace 2025 stands out as a true expression of craftsmanship and engineering precision. Produced by the British company Ariel Motor Company, which is also known for its ultra-lightweight Atom sports car, the Ace is unlike most motorcycles on the market. Rather than aiming for mass production, Ariel focuses on hand-built machines with a deep level of customization, allowing each Ace to be tailored to its rider's specifications. At the heart of the Ariel Ace is a 1,237 cubic centimeters V4 engine sourced from the Honda VFR 1200. This engine produces around 173 horsepower at 10,000 RPM and 131 nanometers of torque at 8,750 RPM. It delivers power through either a 6-speed manual gearbox or Honda's advanced dual-clutch transmission DCT, which allows for both automatic and manual shifting without a traditional clutch lever. This engine choice blends raw power with the reliability and smoothness expected from a Honda power plant. What sets the Ace apart immediately is its distinctive machined aluminum frame. Unlike conventional motorcycle frames made from welded tubing, the Ace's frame is crafted from solid billets of aluminum that are CNC machined and then bonded and bolted together. This not only gives the bike an industrial, futuristic look but also allows incredible flexibility for customization. The geometry of the bike, including the rake angle, is adjustable, giving owners the ability to fine-tune their riding experience. Rake angles can be set anywhere between 21.8 and 28.4 degrees, significantly affecting how the bike handles. Suspension choices are equally tailored. Ariel offers a unique front girder suspension system machined from aluminum, a rare sight on modern bikes, providing excellent stiffness and feedback. Alternatively, riders can opt for a more traditional telescopic fork setup. At the rear, a single-sided swing arm with a Showa adjustable monoshock keeps the back end planted and responsive. Together, the suspension options let the Ace offer cruiser-like comfort or sport bike agility depending on how it's configured. Braking is handled by high-end Nissan components. The front uses dual 320 mm floating discs clamped by 6-piston calipers, while the rear features a single 276 mm disc with a 2-piston caliper. Standard electronic systems include ABS and switchable traction control, making the Ace safer and more controllable under aggressive riding or poor road conditions. Customization is not limited to performance. Buyers can choose from a wide variety of options, including fuel tank sizes 14.1, 18.6, or 21.3 liters, seat heights ranging from 745 mm to 825 mm, handlebar styles, foot peg positions, wheel materials aluminum or carbon fiber, and even the type of lighting and instrumentation. The instrument cluster features a digital LCD display with gear indicators, data logging, and customizable layouts. LED lighting is used all around, including headlights, indicators, and tail lights. In terms of performance, the Ariel Ace can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 3.4 seconds, and its top speed is close to 165 miles per hour. These figures place it firmly in the high-performance category, while still offering comfort and refinement suitable for longer rides. The combination of power, customization, and cutting-edge engineering makes the Ace one of the most interesting motorcycles on the market. In 2024, Ariel announced the end of the Ace's production run. The final model, nicknamed the Last One, featured a special Gulf-inspired paint scheme and was delivered to a customer as a tribute to the bike's legacy. While this marks the end of the current Ace line, Ariel has hinted that the company remains committed to motorcycle innovation and may develop new two-wheeled machines in the future. The Ariel Ace is not a motorcycle for everyone. Its premium price, bespoke nature, and unconventional design appeal to a very specific kind of rider, someone who values individuality, performance, and craftsmanship above all else. With its blend of British engineering and Japanese mechanical reliability, the Ace leaves a lasting impression in the world of motorcycles, even as its production chapter comes to a. Thanks for watching.